Okay, so this is going to be a dragon fruit update. I bought the dragon fruit from a store. I bought red and white. I'm not sure what this one is at this point. I think it's a red one. And so I'm just giving you a quick update. I'll try to stitch the videos together, maybe, so you can see where I started and you don't have to hunt all over my YouTube channel trying to find what was the first video. Though if you go into my videos or my playlist and you type in what you're looking for, it should pull it up. But anyway, this is an update on the dragon fruit, and you can see that it's getting quite big. A few of these broke off because they get real spindly like over here, and it gets really thin, and this big piece comes out and they just snap off. But they get roots on it and they regrow. Like I got one over there that's sitting in the wood chips over there. That's going to start growing. It had roots on it, so I just put it down there. I don't care if it lives through. I'm not bringing it in or anything, but just experimenting with it, really. But I think I'm going to move this one outside in direct sunlight. Once I feel that this plant is fully acclimated to out here, which I think it is by now, because these are starting to get fat. So once that gets well acclimated, I'm going to probably put it outside somewhere, and I'm going to just leave it alone and let it grow in direct sunlight. So hopefully it'll get bigger. I'm not planning on it making fruit, but it might. So we'll have to see what happens. The plant's got to get much bigger than what you see now. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I mean, I'll give you a close-up of it. Looks pretty good. And hopefully some of these will get really big this year. I can get them really big. And eventually what I'll do is, I'm not even sure how I'm going to do this, because I got to repot this. I got to somehow get this thing out of the pot and then put it into a bigger pot if it gets bigger. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to handle this thing, because it's all full of spines. So I guess I could wear gloves and handle it, but it's not going to be easy. So I'm going to eventually have to put this into a bigger pot. And if it gets really big this year, I'm not sure if I'm going to continue to grow it. But we'll see. I mean, if I start seeing flowers come out of it, I might just keep it going and hopefully maybe get some fruit out of this thing. Anyway, that was just a quick update on my dragon fruit plant. I will give you another update towards the end of the year, just show you how it's doing, how much more it grew, and whatnot like that. All right, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.